Good morning, y'all. Good morning. This is Michelle from Michelle's Home. Listen, y'all, I am back in business. I am on the road again. I need to get my, what's the name done? My oil change and then some brake fluid or something. But yeah, it is so cloudy out here from that smoke. Oh my God. Anyways, how y'all doing? I'm Michelle from Michelle's Home. If you're not a subscriber, hit that like and subscribe button. I would appreciate it, and hit that notification so you can be aware of my new vlogs. I am so happy I am out of that house. Y'all hear me? When I tell y'all God be testing you for real, honey, he is testing me. You hear me? I've been sick. I had vertigo, honey, and it was a mess. It was a mess. To my first shift for the first time in a week. I need to do a few things. I don't know if I'm gonna get to it this week, but I paid some bills yesterday. And I need to pay my car note. Need to get this car cleaned and washed and vacuumed. Yeah, I want to order me one of those purse hooks. I think that I'm gonna order one of those that you put around your car thing, so my purse just won't be flying if I have to brake or something, and I don't have to put the seatbelt on my purse. You know? Because the sister be going, I be going. I'm telling the truth. I'm just going to tell the truth. Tell the truth. It is foggy. Hey, I am back home. My sister made me something I want to show you guys. Look what she made me. Look at it. I tasted some before I brought it home. A hot banana pudding. Old-fashioned hot banana pudding. Y'all better quit playing with my sister. Y'all better quit playing with my sister. She also got me one of these cups, copper, with a coaster. And I love it. So cute. But honey, we got to get up in here. I got to take a couple pictures. I gotta take a couple pictures, y'all. And yeah. Isn't that pretty? I shouldn't have messed it up, but it was so pretty. It was so good. Hold on once, y'all. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna take a picture. All right, y'all. We finna dig in. I got my bowl right here. Look at that meringue. That is homemade. Look at that thick meringue. Y'all can't mess with my sister. And Sandy's that I asked her for, and vanilla wafers. It's so good. Let me take another picture. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm having too good of a time. Listen. With this, all I need is me some country fried ribs, some fried corn, ooh, a little bit of mashed potatoes. So this will be my mama meal right here. Mm. Hey y'all, hey, I am on my way to the grocery store to pick up my girls. I just want to show you my little outfit, my little skirt. Put on a little something for the day. Got my little black tank top on. I got my little cute ring and my watch. My cute little necklace and my earrings. No makeup today. It's too hot. But yeah, we are going to the store. We're going to get a few things. I need paper plates because I'm not washing no dishes. And what else do we need? Paper plates. I got dishwasher, liquid, laundry. I got all that. I might get, I don't know. But yeah, we need to get some more bread, some more butter, eggs, water, and yeah, oh, I want to get me another salmon, get some ground beef, some bacon. So yeah, we're gonna go to the store. Hey guys, so I am out on my way to pick up the first one, the first child. Yeah, I'm on my way in this dang fog. It's not fog, it's smoke residue from the fire in Canada. But I'm on my way to get my first one. And then I'll be on my way to get the second one. And then we're gonna run to a store or two. Alright y'all, we are here in Aldi's getting a few things. We got peppers. Ooh, they got some grapefruits. I can have a grapefruit. They don't want you to get nothing else, but shit, I can have a grapefruit. I don't even see any. Okay. We need some bread. We got oil. I need some more butter. Y'all want to get some more tortilla shells? Get the flour shells, Andre. Get the flour shell. Strawberry applesauce.
Don't see that.
You get it?
Oh, have you tried those? The white cheddar puffs?
Nope. Want to get those, and I'll get one of these. Where I'm at, I'm in my favorite aisle. All right, y'all, we are back from Aldi's and Dollar Tree. I got paper plates, 2 dozen of eggs, celery. I got some salmon. I got 2 packs of ground beef, Simply Nature, pot stickers, tortillas, chocolate and vanilla pudding, some applesauce, bell pepper. I got some sour cream, butter, avocado, taco seasoning. We ain't gonna look at that. I got some raisin bread, honey wheat, white bread, 2 pepperoni and sausage pizza, I got some Pinko Mayo Taco Bell sauce, red pepper flakes. This came from Dollar Tree. As well as this, my new water bottle for work. I got dill spears, honey, maple syrup, ranch, some Mexican style shredded cheese, raspberry lemonade, lactose milk. I got me some honey barbecue sun chips, some yellow tortilla chips, some on the border chips, and 2 big bottle packs of water. That is it, guys. That's my food. We about to make some tacos. I'll show you that when I am done. I'm gonna put all this up, and yeah, I'll be back. This is what we have for our tacos: the meat, soft shells. I'm gonna put 2 of those in there. We got avocado, salsa, sauce, pinko, cheese, and sour cream, and lettuce. I'm finna make mine and I'll show you the finished result. Alright guys, these are the finished tacos. Everything: salsa, avocado, cheese, sour cream, lettuce, a little strawberry lemonade. And that is dinner, y'all. Please hit that like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Once again, thanks. Alright, this is the second pan of bacon. The first pan is in there with the onions, the sauce, and the biscuits are done. Ooh, look at that, y'all. They golden brown. Look at that. So pretty. Okay, and then I'll show y'all the rest when it get finished. Hey guys, I am home. I wanted to show you what my sister got me. And they are so cute. So this one is my favorite. She got me an apron with my mom on it. So cute, right? She got me an apron with my mom on it. I'm not gonna tie it, just a little bit. And then she got me a chef hat with Michelle's home. Let's take these off. Isn't that cute? So cute. Here's my mommy, Mary Lee Dotson. It's my mom. And then she got me another one. She got me 2. Now this one I think is supposed to be black. She probably didn't order it right. It's supposed to be black, but it is birthday as well. But it got chef on there with a knife and Michelle's home on there. Isn't that cute? And the same, oh, I got it wet. The same as the hat. Y'all, she climbing. She is climbing. Isn't that cute, y'all? Alright, y'all. I'm gonna put me some in here. It's spaghetti and bacon. My mom used to make this. She didn't too much like ground beef in her spaghetti, so she made this. And honey, it was just as good. My sister gave me a roast. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna do this tomorrow. Nice roast. I'm gonna season it and sear it. Then put it in the oven with some carrots and potatoes. Oh. I want me a piece of sourdough. wet some butter. Everything bagel sourdough is so good. Butter dish. I got some more butter yesterday because I knew we were going to need it for the weekend. My little butter knife. Alright, y'all, I'm hot. Sit down so I can eat. I don't need no nothing. Mm-hmm. So good. So I'm not doing nothing else but going to get my girls and coming home. They can either eat some of this spaghetti or they can make them a taco from yesterday.